In this video, I'm going to reveal how to make an extra $190 every single day with TikTok and affiliate marketing. Now, this strategy is super easy to implement and anybody who has a smartphone can start making money. I'm also going to show you some real life examples and earning proof so you guys can see how much you could potentially make with this simple strategy so you can get started right after watching this video. Now, before I hop into my computer, make sure to smash the like button below and subscribe if you are new. We are dropping videos just like this every single week on my channel, and if you are not subscribed, you are missing out on a lot of free awesome content. So now that we have everything out of the way, let's dive right in. So first things first, you're gonna need a TikTok account because TikTok is the platform that we're gonna be using to drive traffic, to drive views to our offers. So we're gonna need a couple of things to make this work. First of all, we need a traffic source, which is TikTok, okay? So you're gonna need a free TikTok account. And as you can see, this is Annabelle Lucinda and she's posting herself working out. Now, don't worry guys, I'm gonna show you a much easier method and you don't really have to work out or anything like that. But just to show you, big influencers like Annabelle is doing this herself. If you take a look at her account, she's posting training videos of herself working out. Now, people who follow her and people who like her videos, as you can see, she's getting thousands of views. 20,000 here, 300,000 views here, 32,000 views here. She's getting a lot of views. Now, views are good because the more views you get on your videos, the more sales you can get. And let me show you what I mean by sales. Now, what she's doing is she's posting workout videos. She's giving away tips and tricks on how to get into shape. But if you take a look at her link in her profile, right, she has a Gymshark code Annabelle, and if you click on this link, you're gonna get redirected to her landing page. And if you take a look at this, she's promoting all sorts of different products. And every time somebody goes to this page and clicks on one of these links, I can guarantee you that she's gonna make a good commission, a commission per each sale. So with this link, she's promoting Gymshark products. All right, if you take a look at this, this is Gymshark. Let me close this. And every time somebody comes to this page through this link, she's gonna make a pretty good commission. And if you take a look at all of these views that she's getting every single day, I can guarantee you that hundreds of people per day are clicking on this link and purchasing these products. So with the first link, she's promoting Gymshark. With the second link, let's take a look at this. All right, so this is some type of clothing brand. And once again, if you take a look at this URL, you can see RFSN, which means reference number, is her affiliate link. All right, so as you can see, when I click on this website and if I purchase something, she's gonna make a commission. And she has multiple links, right, multiple products on her landing page. So this is just to show you how these big influencers and literally anyone with a TikTok account is making money. Now, let me show you a much easier way, right? You don't have to work out, you don't have to go to the gym. Let me show you a much easier way. So if you take a look at this account right here, this is Taylor's Hustle, right? So this is in the business and marketing niche, right? So Taylor is making videos about how to make money online, best online jobs, all right? So best virtual assistant jobs, right? And as you can see, she's pointing her phone at a computer screen and showing some websites and literally giving away value to her audience. So she's basically showing online websites where you can sign up to and make money. So super simple videos, anyone can create these in a matter of seconds, okay? And if you take a look at her views, 3,000 views, 28,000 views, 12,000 views, 19,000 views, and she's creating videos like this every single day. And if you take a look at this, check out my profile to learn how to do this. So let's check out her profile. I'm gonna click on this link, I'm gonna open it, and boom, click the link below to learn how to quit your 9-to-5. So I'm gonna click this link, and what do you guys know? Some type of free video. And if you're gonna click on this video, I can guarantee it's gonna be some type of affiliate product. So once again, she's doing the exact same thing, right? She's posting videos in her niche and promoting an affiliate product, right? So this is in the health and fitness niche, promoting health and fitness products. And this is in the make money online niche, and she's probably promoting some type of make money online product. So as you can see guys, these videos are very, very easy to create, and I can guarantee you if you created a TikTok profile and copied her videos word for word with your face on it, I can guarantee that you would also get tons of views and sales. Now I tried this out myself and I made my first like $10,000 with this strategy promoting an affiliate program called Legendary Marketer. Some of you guys know this. So this is the strategy. This is super simple. You just need to create videos every single day, you know, 1 to 2 videos every single day and promote an affiliate product. Now, before I show you where to find the perfect product to promote, I'm going to show you how much she's making per month. Now, a matter of fact, I found her YouTube channel, Taylor's Hustle, and take a look at this. She has a video how much I made. I tried ClickBank affiliate marketing for 100 days, and she also has earnings proof. All right. So as you can see on screen, this is 2022, and as you can see, she's showing results, right? Earnings proof of how much she's making with just her TikTok profile. So as you can see, this is January, $4,000. All right. February, $10,000. March, $3,700. April, about $3,000. So she's absolutely killing it with just her TikTok profile. So as you can see, you can make up to $10,000 per month utilizing this strategy by creating short videos just like this and promoting affiliate products online. Now let me show you where to find products that you can start promoting with your TikTok profile. So head over to a website called clickbank.com. Now you probably already heard of this website before, and you probably already have an account. But for all you guys that don't, ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace with hundreds of proven products that you can start promoting instantly. So I'm gonna log in for you guys, and you wanna click on the marketplace in the up right corner, and here are your niches, right? These are all the different categories that you can start promoting products in. So for example, health and fitness. So if you have a health and fitness profile like Annabelle, you can click on health and fitness right here. Okay, and as you can see, you have products Alpaline that's gonna pay you $135 per sale. Icaria Juice, $136 per sale. Some type of Red Boost, which is in the men's health and fitness niche, $125, and so on. And if you want to promote any one of these products, all you have to do is click on promote, click on your tracking ID and add TikTok if you're going to be using TikTok to promote this product, and click on create hop link. And this is your affiliate URL. And if you promote this online and somebody clicks on this link, okay, makes a purchase, you're gonna make a commission. So that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. So now Taylor is in the make money online niche. So let's try to find a product in this niche. So I'm gonna go back to the marketplace. Okay, now I'm gonna click on e-business and marketing. And as you can see, the first product right here, live chat jobs. Let's take a look at this. Okay. So this is a ClickBank product. Find your perfect online job. Right. And as you can see, the gravity score is 292, which is awesome. That means that a lot of people are making a lot of money with this product. So this would be a great product to promote with an account like this, right? In the make money online niche. So once again, you can click on promote, add your tracking ID, which is TikTok. Okay. You want to copy this, but there's one more thing that you need to do before you add this link in your bio. Now, as you can see, this link looks ugly and it will probably get taken down by TikTok if you post it in your bio. So you need to go to a website like tinyurl, okay? And you need to shorten it. So click on tinyurl. You want to paste it inside here and click on make tinyurl. And now this is your tinyurl. You can copy it and you can now add it to your bio. All right. So this is the entire strategy, guys. This is how Taylor is making $4,000, $5,000, even $10,000 per month with this strategy. This works like a charm. A lot of people are doing this right now because TikTok is hot. And if you're looking for a quick way to make money online in 2023, then this is a great method, guys. Don't sleep on this. So I literally showed you an account and how much she's making. And you can start today, right after watching this video, create your account, start creating videos just like this. You can even copy them. You can make similar videos. I mean, this is not difficult, guys. As you can see, she's just sitting, right? She's not even talking and she's just pointing on her computer screen. Please stop giving excuses. Just start, right? This is what it comes down to. Just get started. Just start doing something. Start with the first video and you'll see how it goes. And if you have enjoyed this video, then I would like to invite you to work with me and join my affiliate escape plan training program that includes coaching. All right. So I'm going to show you guys how to go from $0 to $10,000 per month. You can take a look at the testimonials, students already making money. And if you scroll down, I have 12 in-depth training modules and over 90 lessons. All right. I'm going to give you done for you funnels, done for you email swipes, one-on-one support, lifetime access, and a private Facebook group so you guys can share your thoughts with other students. And if you guys want to see what this course includes, you can just scroll down. All right, and as you can see, module 1, and you can read a bit more what you're gonna get. And all of this is just for $200, which is ridiculous for the amount of value that I'm giving away. And I'm also gonna give you away 5 awesome bonuses. Let me scroll down and show you guys. One-on-one support, a private student group, done for you email swipes. You can clone my highest converting funnel, right? With the strategy that I showed you today, with the TikTok strategy, I'm gonna give you guys the funnel and the affiliate product that I used to make over $10,000 with this exact strategy. So you can literally copy and paste my very own highest converting funnel. And I'm also gonna give you a done for you CPA marketing campaign and CPA marketing mastery, my free traffic course. So all of this is just for $200. This is ridiculous, guys. You're not gonna find an online course for this price of this value. Now I priced this at $200 to give as many people the opportunity to join. So if you're being serious about, starting online business, then I would recommend for you guys to take a look at this. And with that being said, you can join this program with the link below the description. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash the like button below if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.